Greetings, all you Rocketeers! This is your Toy Commander, and are you guys ready for today's mission?
Yes!
And today's video is intended for play only. Alright guys, it's time for today's fun fact about outer space with the Toy Commander. Alright, today we're going to be talking about Neptune, which is our outermost planet. Well, technically it's not, because Pluto is the outermost planet, but
yes,
some are saying Pluto is not a real planet anymore.
What?
I still say Pluto's a real planet. Right, did you guys know that Neptune has only completed one orbit around the sun since its discovery?
Really?
You're probably saying, wait a minute. What? Yeah, one orbit, that's it. So Neptune was discovered in 1846, and Neptune is so far out it can only be observed with optics. And that's why it has the longest orbital period. So a year on Neptune is 164.8 Earth years. And that's why it only completed one post-discovery circle, and that was in 2011. And one other fun fact, that Neptune was the first planet to be discovered with the use of mathematics. Alright guys, on to today's video. Today we have
Monster Jam.
These are the
Oversized
Monster Trucks. We have Max D, El Toro, Loco, and Michelangelo?
Wait a minute, what?
We have a Ninja Turtle.
Cool.
That's because there's a new Ninja Turtles movie coming out called
Mutant Mayhem.
I believe it's being released this summer, August of 2023. Looking forward to that new movie. So we have this right here, Michelangelo. He is the one with the nunchucks. I don't know how to use nunchucks. I tried them once when I was a kid and I actually hurt myself because I was doing this whole thing and it went poop. I was like, right in the eye. They're dangerous if you don't know what you're doing.
Really?
And they're also very heavy. So if you swing that thing and you hit your kneecap or your elbow or your face, it's gonna hurt.
Oh, man.
So make sure you know what you're doing if you're using nunchucks.
Cool.
Or you can just watch Michelangelo and maybe learn from him.
Nice.
So we're gonna take a look at these new oversized Hot Wheels. Now check out Max D, look how cool it is. Now he's got these really vibrant colors in him this time. These big bright yellow tires, all these cool colors. And then El Toro Loco, this is the classic looking El Toro Loco with his orange and yellow, pretty cool. And then we're gonna take this one out here too. Now there's 4 in this series to collect, it says right on the back. So hopefully we'll find those other 3 and complete this set. I have one cool thing we're gonna be doing today. In addition to looking at these, we're gonna be taking these oversized monster trucks and taking them off this really sick jump that I have.
Cool.
It was custom made by our friends over at Spin Master.
Awesome!
They sent it on a previous video with some other monster trucks. So this thing is super cool. You're gonna be seeing these things get some serious height and distance. I think we're gonna do it outside, so let's go unbox these and start doing those cool jumps.
Woo!
Alright, as you can see, these are just normal size, monster trucks. This is a scale 1 to 4, which is pretty big. So there's the difference. This is the only Hot Wheels monster truck. The rest of them are not Hot Wheels, they are Monster Jam trucks. So on this series right here, there are these 4 on the back. We have Megalodon, Max D, Gravedigger, and of course this El Toro Loco. And those are the 4 to collect on them. Now with this this just comes right out. Cool, let's take them right out. All right, so here is Michelangelo, and look how awesome this thing is. Now these things are huge. I guess they're oversized.
Bingo!
Though the wheels have lots of play in them so they can go back and side and all that and do all that fancy tricks. There's the orange bandana that Michelangelo wears. I don't see anything on here for his nunchucks. Maybe some type of, symbol of a nunchuck would be cool across the hood. There's nothing on the hood But there it is, and they move along pretty good. All right, so here is Max D, and check out how cool. Now look at the size of this thing and how bright. I love the bright colors, and I do like that the wheels are, you know, like a fluorescent yellow rather than black. I don't know, it just looks cooler. And there's the flames across the top. World champion Max D. There he is on the side. It has a bunch of little stickers over here. Magnaflow, Optima, BKT, and all that stuff. There's a look at the back. These things are gonna go flying. Here comes El Toro Loco with the big horns. Do they go up and down? No, they just stay like that, which is fine. I don't need them to move, but they are rubber, so they won't break. Now the body is metal. Now same with these, they're all metal, but the chassis are like a flexible plastic. All right, El Toro Loco, Max D, and Michelangelo. Are you guys ready to go off some sick jumps? Let's go. Yeah! Guys, so here's that cool Monster Jam ramp I was telling you about. Now it's real easy to set up. You put these two together like this. It's gonna slip in the back. There you go, look at that. That is gonna be so cool. You guys ready? Let's do this. All right, so first up is Max D. He takes the ramp. All right, Max D, you ready? And here we go. Next up, El Toro Loco. All right, here we go, El Toro Loco. Oh, he didn't hardly get anywhere. He landed right there. All right, so here we go with Michelangelo now, last. Hopefully he can beat those two markers right there. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Whoa! He landed way over here. Woo! So he's the winner. Let's try again. All right, guys, so this time a little bit different. We have a ledge that's about 2 feet high. We're gonna try to see if these monster trucks can make it over those rocks. First, we're gonna do Michelangelo and see how far and how high he can go off this ramp. Here we go. Oh, he didn't quite make it. He smashed into the rock. Up next, we have Max D. All right, Max D, show him how it's done. Last but not least, El Toro Loco. Come on, buddy, you know you can do it. And Alright guys, that's it for today's video with our Hot Wheels Monster Jam Monster Trucks. These are the oversized monster trucks. We had Max D, El Toro Loco, and our special guest today, Michelangelo. So don't forget to share this video with your friends, smash the like button, and come back to Planet Zizzle to keep the missions going. This is your Toy Commander signing off, and I'll see you on our next mission. It's now time for me to blast off out of here.